Arm liposuction removes unwanted subcutaneous fat from the arms. So through little incisions on your arms, I basically use a special cannula that sucks out the unwanted fat between the skin and the muscle underneath. And that's what liposuction is. So how it's done is arm liposuction can be done under numbing medicine while you're awake, or you can be asleep. Before the procedure, I'll mark you up. We'll kind of draw where we want to suck out the fat. Then while you're asleep, or if you're awake, I'll put in a solution that will make the area go numb as well as minimize bleeding. And then I use a liposuction machine with various types of cannulas to suck out that unwanted fat underneath your skin above your muscle. So the goal is to improve the overall contour by removing the unwanted fat around your arms. Now, if you have loose skin to begin with, you may need a brachioplasty, because liposuction does not treat loose skin. In fact, liposuction makes loose skin worse because we're removing the fat from underneath the skin. So think of it like taking stuffing out of a pillow. If you already have too much pillowcase and we remove even more stuffing, there's even more extra pillowcase. So you may need a brachioplasty, so I would refer you to one of my brachioplasty videos to learn more information about a brachioplasty. But if all you need is some extra unwanted fat from your arms removed, so you have stubborn areas of fat on your arms that you can't seem to get rid of, you don't have much skin, and your skin's thick and has good elasticity, we can do liposuction of your arms, remove that unwanted fat, and then you need to wear some compression afterwards, which will help squeeze that area down so it has improved contour and is thinner than it used to be because that unwanted fat is gone. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.